When it comes to coffee, nothing beats the authentic, rich taste of a freshly brewed cup using a stovetop coffee maker. This Bialetti Venus Induction stovetop coffee maker offers this experience with a blend of timeless design and modern functionality. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or just looking for an elegant, durable coffee maker, this product promises to enhance your daily coffee routine. In this review, we'll break down the key features, benefits, and why the Bialetti Venus could be the coffee maker you've been waiting for. Spoiler alert: it's not just another stovetop coffee maker, it's an experience. The Bialetti Venus Induction coffee maker is more than just a brewing tool, it's a work of art. Crafted from premium 1810 stainless steel, it exudes quality and elegance from the moment you unbox it. The shiny, polished surface adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Unlike many modern appliances that sacrifice aesthetics for functionality, the Bialetti Venus embraces both. Its sleek design makes it suitable for any environment, whether you have a modern or traditional kitchen. The thick walls of the new boiler provide added safety, ensuring that this stovetop coffee maker will last for years. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to work on induction stovetops, a feature that many classic stovetop coffee makers lack. Whether you're using gas, electric, or induction hobs, this versatile coffee maker has you covered. One of the standout features of the Bialetti Venus is its durability. Made from 1810 stainless steel, the coffee maker is resistant to wear and tear, maintaining its shine and original characteristics even after prolonged use. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting, quality coffee maker. Unlike aluminum models that tend to fade or scratch, the stainless steel construction ensures that the Venus remains as striking as the day you first brought it home. Additionally, the anti-scalding handle is both ergonomic and non-slip, adding an extra layer of safety and comfort. No need to worry about burned hands when brewing your favorite coffee. This handle stays cool, allowing you to pour effortlessly, even when the coffee maker is piping hot. Bialetti has been synonymous with quality coffee makers since 1933, and the Venus upholds that tradition. With its simple yet effective design, brewing a perfect cup of coffee has never been easier. Here's how to use it. 1. Fill the bottom chamber with water up to the safety valve. 2. Add ground coffee to the filter, leveling it off without pressing. 3. Screw the top and bottom parts together and place it on your stovetop. 4. Once you hear the iconic gurgling sound, turn off the heat, and your coffee is ready. This process ensures that you extract maximum flavor from your coffee grounds, giving you that rich, aromatic espresso that you crave. The result? A cup of coffee that's smooth, flavorful, and bursting with Italian tradition. Whether you prefer your coffee strong or mild, you can tailor your brew by adjusting the amount of coffee and water used. Want an extra rich espresso? Use a fine grind and fill the basket to the top. For a lighter brew, use a coarser grind and less coffee. One of the best aspects of the Bialetti Venus is its ease of cleaning. Unlike many coffee makers that require special detergents or complicated cleaning processes, the Venus is simple. Just rinse the parts under water and let them dry. That's it. However, never put this coffee maker in the dishwasher, as that can damage the materials and affect the taste of your coffee. A quick rinse after each use is all you need to keep your Bialetti Venus performing at its best for years to come. Not only is this quick and easy, but it also preserves the authentic taste of your coffee, free from any detergent residues that might compromise its flavor. One size doesn't always fit all, and Bialetti understands that. The Venus comes in various sizes to suit your specific needs. Whether you're brewing for one or serving guests, you can choose the model that fits your lifestyle. Why choose the Bialetti Venus? When investing in a coffee maker, you want something that delivers consistently great coffee while being easy to use, durable, and stylish. The Bialetti Venus offers all of these qualities in one sleek package. Here are some reasons why you should consider the Bialetti Venus for your next coffee maker. Durability. Made from high-quality 1810 stainless steel that's resistant to wear, rust, and damage. Versatility. Works on gas, electric, and induction stovetops, making it compatible with a wide range of kitchen setups. Safety and comfort. Anti-scalding handle ensures ease of use even when the coffee maker is hot. Ease of cleaning. Rinse it under water, and you're good to go. No complicated cleaning required. Classic Italian taste. Brew rich, aromatic coffee every time, giving you a taste of Italy in every cup. If you're ready to elevate your coffee experience and want a product that is both beautiful and functional, then the Bialetti new Venus Induction coffee maker is the perfect choice. Final thoughts. The Bialetti new Venus Induction Stovetop coffee maker represents a perfect blend of tradition and modern technology. Whether you're using it at home or gifting it to a fellow coffee lover, this coffee maker is designed to impress and last. Its ability to brew rich, flavorful coffee, combined with its durability and elegant design, makes it a must-have in any kitchen. Don't just take our word for it. Try the Bialetti new Venus for yourself and discover how it can transform your morning coffee ritual. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.